Welcome to the of new Motorola Moto E40, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first, just open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. After that, you'll see here ringtone notification volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone, you should hold and swipe to the left side with your finger. There's blue dot. Also, you can make it by the second way. Just first press up or down volume button, and after that tap here on the settings icon. Then you'll see here the ringtone notification volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone, also just hold and swipe to the left side this blue dot, and then just tap here to done to save all the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.